Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Microsoft Edge status access denied in Windows 11. So, getting the dreaded status access denied error when opening the Microsoft Edge, you don't need to worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix it under 2 minutes. So first step, you can just run Edge as administrator. You can first try running the Edge with admin rights. So in here, I'm going to just open or find the Microsoft Edge right here. You can right click on it and then tap on run as administrators. Tap on yes, because sometimes window permissions can block access and this bypasses that. And the step 2, you can just reset the Edge settings. So if that doesn't work, you can just reset the Edge. So open the Edge and click on the 3 dots icon at the top. Go to settings. Here you can just find the reset setting options, and here click on this reset setting to their default values and tap on reset. So this won't delete your bookmarks but will reset the Edge settings. And step 3, you can clear the site permissions and cache. So if it's still not working, you can try to clear your cache and site settings. Go to the Edge settings and click on this privacy, search and services. And under it, you can just find the clear browsing data options. Click or choose what to clear and then select the cache file and cookies. These tools right here, tap on clear now. And next, you can also disable the antivirus or extension temporarily, because some antivirus tools or browser extension can cause this error. So just try disabling them temporarily to see if Edge loads properly. If it does, you found the problem. And that's it. One of these quick steps should fix the status access deny error on Edge. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know in the comments if you're still stuck. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!